Winds coming down from the north, winds anywhere from 5 to 15. But as the day goes on, and really as the weekend goes on, it will get quite blustery. The winds stay with us today, tomorrow, and into Monday as well. So it will be windy over the next several days, winds of 20 to 25 miles an hour. And with the cool air on top of us, the winds will have a little bit of a bite, if you will. All right, so the satellite image shows that skies generally clear, but we do have a couple of clouds off to the west, and these will move through as the day goes on. So we'll be in and out of the clouds. We'll call it partly sunny, but we're not expecting any rainfall, at least not for the next several days, as much drier air sits on top of South Florida. Here's the front that came through now well offshore. Behind it, high pressure right here. That's going to help to stir up the winds over the next couple of days, but eventually the high is going to start to slide offshore and the winds will start to come in from the Atlantic, and that's going to start to warm us up. But that really happens on Monday. That's when temperatures start to creep on up as the winds start to shift. But for today, we'll see temperatures in the upper 60s, well below the average of 78, so roughly 10 degrees below average. Tomorrow still on the cooler side. Then after that, the winds go easterly, and you can see those temperatures starting to ramp on up. If you're heading to the Rib Roundup this afternoon, it is going to be a lot of fun. The Country Music Festival kicks off at noon today. Temperatures, though, will be on the cooler side in the 60s with a mix of sun and clouds. So at least you're dry, but certainly quite cool for this time of year. So there's the front. Behind it, the winds today out of the north. As we head into tomorrow, the winds start to shift a little bit. They'll go northeasterly. This will bring in slightly warmer weather, but it's really on Monday when the winds go due easterly. That's when temperatures start to climb on up. There's going to be a system right there, but that's going to stay to the north. For us, we're looking for really dry, generally dry conditions over the next several days as that dry air sits on top of us. Upper 60s today, mostly sunny, certainly cool and breezy. As we head into tonight, temperatures right around 60 degrees. That's for coastal Palm Beach County. Treasure Coast, inland areas, you're going to be in the 50s. And here is your first alert 7-day forecast. Do not forget, tonight we spring forward. All the clocks now are manual, so you really won't have to walk around and adjust the clocks. But you'll get 1 hour less of sleep tonight because of that springing forward. Otherwise, as we head into the next several days, it is windy through Monday. The rest of your first alert 7-day forecast, we have that warming trend.